how to invite people to your space on Quora. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to your space. For example, this is my space right here. Now all what you have to do is simple. Go down here, click on this invite here, and or you can just click on people from here. Click on people. Now scroll down until you find followers. Now click invite from here, and you can invite by sending the link of the space from here. You can copy and send it to them, or you can import contacts from here. It's so easy and fast. Or you can search by name and then add the person that you want. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching until the end. See you later.